Hello! In this video we are going to be talking about how to correctly measure a backset. A backset is simply the distance from the edge of the door to the center of the hardware hole. To measure the backset on this, again, you would measure from the edge of the door or the faceplate to the center of the hardware hole. This backset is 2 3/4 inches. Here we have 2 more multi-point locks. One is the American style. As you can see, it has this plug right here. The other is the European style, which is open instead. Measuring the backsets on these is the exact same way. However, we cannot measure the backset on the American style because it does not have a faceplate and therefore would be inaccurate. So instead, we will take the European style, again, measure from the faceplate to the center of the hardware hole.
For our friends in Europe, this is a 60mm backset.
For a backset that might have a mechanism without a hardware hole visible, again, you would just measure from the edge of the door to where the middle of the entire mechanism is, where the hardware hole would be. As you can see, this one is also 2 3/8 inches, which is a standard measurement for many backsets. If you have an extruded astragal on one of your patio doors, to measure the backset, it will be the exact same as your opposite door. So, measure from the faceplate to the center of the hardware hole. For this backset, we would measure from the edge of the door to the center of the hardware hole, or the lock cylinder in this case. This backset is 2 inches. To measure the backset on this storm door, you can see that there is a lip right here. You would simply measure from where the backset would be if the lip was not there to the center of the hardware hole. The backset on this storm door is 7/8 of an inch. To measure a backset on a door that does not have a mechanism in it, you simply have to go from the edge of the door to the center of the mechanism hole.
This backset is 2 3/4 inches.
In this video, we've shown you how to correctly measure the backset on a number of locks and doors. If you have any questions, please call us or visit us at allaboutdoors.com.